Hey guys, AlecMac111, and today I'm bringing you some more gameplay footage. So as you can see, I ended up getting killed, and I'm outside of that flag building. I'm actually on the left side of the field with arrow here. You can see right now, the building that I'm shooting into is the flag building, and it managed to get overrun by the other team. So I had to go back to respawn, and we're going to see what happens next, if we can get the flag, or if not. I'll see you guys later. Alex, I'm locked up. Hey, no one's on the flag. Let's go. What's up? In the hallway? I gotta lock down this right side. I'm keeping us. Rob's got you. Help Alex. Rob, you got Alex. Hey. Hey, the flag building's pretty clear from what I can tell. We gotta help those guys get on the flag building. No one owns the flag right now. We push screen out of it.
All right. Hey, I'm thinking, let's back up the team. They're already pushing up on the left side.
Yeah.
Slow through the building, get another angle. We need to get closer. We can't fight from this distance. Come on.
Okay. Hold up. One more. Got him. Let's go. Alex is already in here. Alex and Rob are both in here.
Friendly.
Let's push in. Let's get in these windows and get some fire on the target building.
Boy.
Ready?
Go.
Here we go. Let's go. Hey, we got it pretty locked down.
Yeah, that's what we thought.
Hey, can you grab the 3 mags out of my triple? One of them.
Security.
Thanks. Hey, we got him pretty locked down on this multiple.
Keep moving. Yeah. Hey, I was able to get pretty far on the outside. Hey, Trevor, Alex, hold it down.
Yep.
Hey, Trevor, Alex, hold it down. Everybody else.
Lock him down. Got one. Got another.
Changing.
Yep.
Good.
Got him. Hey, come on. I shot him in the back of the helmet. I don't know if he felt it. Yep, he got it. He called it. Good call.
Not seeing any.
We got to get into the flag building. Let's keep it locked down, and then we'll.
Everyone that I've seen is out, right?
We're pushing them.
Right. Where is he?
I can't tell. I don't know where I'm getting hit from. I'm watching the flag building.
He's down that hole in that middle building right there. Can't tell though. Yep.
Yeah, we got some guy watch tan on the backside. Hey, you can get in the flag building. Yes. Here we go. All right, let's push up. We got this locked. We're gonna push straight across. All right.
Gotcha.
Oh, hold up. What is that?
Not us. That's all I know.
Neeraj, what's up? Get back in your window, then I got this. To explain sort of what's going on right now, I am providing overwatch for the building directly on my 12 o'clock. You can see Trevor, who's to the right of me where I was before. He's providing cover fire for the teammates moving up as well as any enemies moving up as well. We're trying to just lock down 2 specific angles of fire in order to help our guys move up, and they're having a little bit of trouble. So that's kind of why this is a little stagnant right here. I'm actually talking to Trevor and telling him, hey, we gotta go, we gotta get on that flag building because it's gonna be the time limit is gonna be reached soon, which you guys will see at the end of this video.
No visuals right now. There's 2 guys in that building.
Yeah.
Tom. 2 guys in that building.
You got 2 guys. Can you grab both of my mags out of my triple again when you get a shot? I blew him through 8 mags.
Haven't been getting any visuals in here.
All right, can you grab these 2 out of that triple? Then one more. Thanks. Great. I've gone through like 6.
That far middle building.
Yep.
In the window.
Help him on. We got a guy on the flag. Get in there.
Got one of them.
Josh, get in the flag building if you can.
There should be at least one more guy.
We got one guy on the flag.
Alex, I got a guy on the left side.
Oh, I think you should. Josh! Josh, don't push up too far. There's a guy on that wall. Oh, he got hit.
No visual.
You don't see any?
No, none.
Where did he get hit from?
I don't know. I saw
He must have got hit. He must have got hit from his 12.
There are 2 dead that walked out from that building.
All right.
Guys on the left.
I'm watching the flag building, Rob. I got one.
Still nothing.
Yeah, there's 2 guys in the flag building, but they're in the backside.
We got a group of about 5 people moving up for us.
Yeah, we got it.
Hey, one of our guys is shooting to our left.
Okay. Blade, we have one on. Blade, we have one on the flag.
Our middle building, left window.
Tan should have flag. Tan's had one on the flag for like 5 minutes or so. Got one.
I don't know whether I'm shooting or not. Damn.
Shoot. We lost him off the flag. Dang it. Thank goodness for quick reaction time. There's a guy right in this building across from us. Okay. Pop him. Got him. Alex, we gotta get on the flag. Oh shoot. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this footage. Blade, the game runner, actually ended up making a mistake, and we had a guy in the flag for 5 minutes, which is what we were supposed to hold it. You'll see it earlier in this video where I say, oh dang, he got hit. So Blade actually ended up saying afterwards, he's like, oh, I forgot, I'm sorry, the guy was laying prone, I didn't see it. So it ended up ending in a tie, but we ended up winning the game afterwards.